pagtanggap kung hindi sa pakiusap ni General Caltito Galvez na tanggapin. But I told myself, kakayanin natin ito at kaya natin ito with the help of Malacanang, the Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. On one hand, it dawned me that a huge task lies ahead. A strong call for public service, but challenging and heavy task. Mas mahirap dahil ang taong pagsisilbihan natin ay ang mga taong malapit sa atin, mahal natin at pinaglaban natin. On one side, I decided to face the challenge head-on. Ngunit, hindi naging madali ang lahat. I can clearly recall the hardship and challenges that confronted us when we started the government of Maguindanao del Norte. And one of those is the legal challenges exploited to cripple the delivery of basic services for our people. Nagpapasalamat ako kay President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos sa kanyang tiwala sa ating kakayahan na pamunuan ang probinsya ng Maguindanao del Norte at sa mga matatag na empleyado ng Maguindanao del Norte na sakasangga nating lumaban sa lahat ng hamon na hinarap natin. Inspired by our discipline and strong determination as revolutionary man, guided by the moral governance in our mind, we began to draw our hopes, dreams, aspirations for the people of Maguindanao del Norte. We dream of a prosperous, peaceful, and happy people of Maguindanao del Norte, along with infrastructure development. Get people the best services from their government, timely, appropriate, inclusive, and efficient, where people are essentially living a harmonious and peaceful life. Their needs and welfare will be provided for the foundation of their future. Their children, the future generation, very well laid down for them. I envision Berto's committed and responsible government, officials and employees, happy, healthy, contented, and productive people, knowing in their minds and hearts that their leaders are working for them, serving them well. We envision ushering our people to development we had long wished and hoped for since the day we entered the revolutionary life. We humbly beseech your help and support to make these dreams a reality. Number one, Premier Maguindanao in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, efficient and effective delivery of services to the people, healthy people in a healthy environment, transparency and accountability, coordinated and cooperative efforts in governance and service delivery, with people living harmoniously, development of culture of peace, political stability, and economic development. Ito po ang pangarap ko para sa inyong lahat. With the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, sa suporta ng ating Presidente Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos at si Chief Minister Ahod Balawag Ibrahim, kaya natin ito, no doubt. We have to put our best foot forward to turn dreams and vision into reality. This, however, remain unwritten if you will not put this into action. Parang sinulat lang ito sa hangin kung hindi tayo kikilos at magtutulungan. We could say that the journey of my first 100 days, months, and year that went by was not easy. As we buckled down to work, masasabi kong is not easy. Hindi naging madali. We were confronted with many concerns and challenges. Then, we were faced with the dilemma of housekeeping. Dahil kung ihambing sa buhay ng pamilyadong tao, nag-uumpisa pa lang sa buhay ang probinsya at inaayos pa ang bahay na titirahan. Hindi kaya ng 1, 2, o 6 na buwan para makapag-adjust sa buhay. Isabay pa ang pagpapatayo ng struktura na matatawag mong bahay kung saan titira ang buong pamilya. Habang iniisip natin kung paano pagalawin ang ating bagong civil na gobyerno ng probinsya ng Maguindanao del Norte. We had to put in place seat for the provincial government that would be conducive and accessible to our people and leaders. Establish the structure of government, staffing patterns, and financial management. Establishing a young government while serving our people's needs is not easy. We must admit that the task was difficult because we have to establish system the provincial government, lay out plans and programs, endeavor to deliver much needed service to the people. Sumabay pa dito ang pag-ayos sa mga relasyon to cure political divide na hindi maiiwasan pero pwedeng ayusin dahil gusto natin na hindi masakripisyo ang paghatid ng serbisyo sa mga tao. These are but the challenges that confronted us. But our administration, 10 ng aking mga kasamaan sa serbisyo publiko, hindi po nag-alinlangang harapin ang hamon upang pagsilbihan ang minamahal nating Maguindanao del Norte. As to this very moment, yung sinasabi kong pamilya at ang kanilang bahay is slowly forming its shape. Sa lumipas na mga buwan at taon, masasabi kong marami ng mga program at proyekto na ating naisakatuparan. The achievements and progress we celebrate result from the unwavering dedication and collaboration of the provincial local government unit, our 12 municipalities, and the national and BARM government. Now, let us delve into the achievement we have reached. On infrastructure development, we achieved Number 1, a total of 12 kilometers of road had been concreted across the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Number 2, rehabilitation of a total of 3.7 kilometers of roads in different municipalities. Number 3, in collaboration with the Ministry of Public Works, we have successfully concreted a 39 kilometers of roads across the 12 municipalities, improving connectivity and accessibility for our residents. Number 4, construction of the new fish facilities has boosted our local economy, providing our fisherfolk with enhanced facilities to support their livelihood. Number 5, construction of the riverbank protection project, safeguarding our communities from flooding and erosion. Construction of line canals and new bridges. Number 7, construction of road networks and farm-to-market roads in various municipalities. Number 8, rehabilitation of the provincial nursery building and its access road in Parang, supported the rehabilitation of public market and ongoing construction of housing units in OP for the victims of Storm Taeng. For social development, supported the MBHT sports program, Palarong Panlalawigan, Barmaa, and Palarong Pambansa, benefiting 2,915 athletes, coaches, and officials. Providing pre-let review to 100 para-teachers, volunteer, teachers, and professional development program to the 380 school heads. Provided assistance to 3,000 Madaris learners. Distributed 1,700 hygiene kits to malnourished children. Train all municipal child representatives for child health, education, nutrition, and protection. Provided all rural health units and all district hospitals of the province with 17,625 medical equipments, medicines, and medical supplies through the Gagaw Health Program. Provided support to various programs of the IPHO conducted in different municipalities of the province. Benefited 1,376 patients during the conduct of the series cluster medical missions in the different municipalities. Provided 214 PWD students receive educational cost subsidies in addition to the MSSD beneficiaries. 74 PWDs have been provided assistive devices. Distributed rice and grocery package to 24,000 beneficiaries affected by El Nino in the 12 municipalities of the province. Provided Hadiah program to 1,200 senior citizens. Strengthened early child care and development centers in partnership with UNICEF and MSSD. And operationalization the social protection cluster special bodies. On environment development sa kalikasan, planted bamboo trees and prayer line project in the Mapatoy Watershed Forest Reserve, distributed fruit tree seedlings to the local farmers through our provincial nursery, ongoing crafting of the provincial solid waste management plan, and supported various programs of the MNRI on environmental management protection. On economic development, promotion of robust micro-entrepreneurial activities in the different LGUs in Maguindanao del Norte. Kapag sinabi mong may economic or business activities sa isang area, isa lang ang ibig sabihin, umiikot ang pera at may kabuhayan at pagkakitaan ang mga tao. So hindi na ma-interpret yung once na ma-encounter mo, yung mga kapatid nating Chinese, once na sasabihin sa iyo na long time no see, ang ibig palang sabihin doon is matagal na wala kita. But sa pamamagitan nito, hindi na matagal na wala kita, may kita na kasi nandito na yung umiikot na ang pera ng Maguindanao del Norte. So yung word na matagal nang wala kita, long time no see, wala na yon. You can interpret it directly na may kita na. The province of Maguindanao del Norte has gained recognition for its diverse, rich natural resources. That Tublasinsuat is now identified as the marine capital of the province, while Kabuntalan has emerged as the freshwater fishing capital of the province. Ang ibig sabihin, may peace na ang kailangan natin ang order. Kasi paminsan-minsan may peace pero walang order. But now, we have peace but the order is already there. Construction of provincial landmark, a tourist getaway and traverse in Matanog. Yan ngayon, ang traverse natin at saka yung tourism assets natin sa Matanog. Establishment of cultural and tourism asset database. Implementation of agri-tourism project in different LGUs. Implementation of agricultural program to support local farmers, animal protection, and support to livestock and industry. Distributed 3,900 assorted vegetable seeds and 2,500 garden tools to farmers. And vaccinated, deworm-treated, and supplemented animals. And employed 1,002 college students and out-of-school youth for the community service through the Provincial Students Employment Program and Summer Job 2024. On peace and order situation, palagi kong sinasabi na ang Maguindanao del Norte is napakaswerte na province dito sa buong Pilipinas. Bakit? Yung 6ID nandito sa Maguindanao del Norte, yung ProBar nandito rin sa Maguindanao del Norte, yung Marine Headquarters na sa Camp Iranon nandito rin sa Maguindanao del Norte. At saka, wag naman natin kalimutan na ang Darapanan is nandito rin sa Maguindanao del Norte. We have institutionalized a special action committee dedicated to Rido settlement program that centered Rido across the 12 municipalities. And this was initiated by provincial government of Maguindanao and 6ID through the facilitation of our Secretary ng UPAPRO, si Galvez. Turnover 350 loose firearms to the PNP. 81% of barangay in the province are drug-free. With the help of PDEA, we were able to combat illicit drug activities aligned with our commitment to make Maguindanao del Norte a drug-free province. Supported various programs of Bureau of Fire Protection, PNP, AFP, MILG, BGMP, and PDEA. Conducted executive ICS for mayors last month, 2024, is headed by the PDRRMO. I was once a ICS commander during our time in the OCM. Ang pinuno namin, si Chief Minister ako, operation ako doon. Noong ako, Incident Command System na pinamumunuan ng aming napakagaling na PDRRMO na si Dato Nasrullah Imam. Siya ang nangunguna dito. Sa inyong kalaman, si Dato Nasrullah Imam, mas malakas pa yan sa bagyo. Mas malakas pa sa hangin. Pero yung hangin na totoo, hindi hangin na hangin-hangin lang. Kaya nga, we are assured in the Maguindanao del Norte na hindi na po mangyayari yung nangyayari sa Paeng noon. Kasi lahat ng mga tao namin, lahat ng mga mayors is pumasok na, nakatrain na sila sa Incident Command System. Also, installed early warning signages in the different municipalities. Now, utilities, water and energy. Rehabilitation of water system level 2 in various municipalities. In addition to solar program of the farm and the PLGU installed solar lights in various power plant communities of the province. On institutional development, we commend the Sangguniang Panlalawigan with the leadership of Vice Governor Abdul Nasir Tong Abbas for their resilience in facing the challenges that they have encountered in this journey. In spite of that, and with the help of our partner ministers, we were able to operationalize local development plans such as executive legislative agenda, provincial development investment plan, and annual investment plan. Nasabi po namin na napakatatag ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan namin kasi when we had a legal squabble, yung mga tao na ito, 6 months, sir, walang sweldo. Kasi naharang ang sweldo kasi walang vice governor, governor doon, vice governor doon, saan-sana. So walang nangyari. But they still work for the passage of all this that I will mention. Number 2, fill up all department heads of the province, functional and active provincial employees and employee official association, institutionalize provincial monitoring and evaluation system, institutionalize a back special support staff. We made this. Ginawa po namin ito kasi Sir Chief Minister, ang pinaka-hindrance sa pag-implement ng project is yung procurement. Without your back effectively working, talagang walang mangyayari sa mga development. Kasi nandoon yung lahat-lahat ng legal. Except, that is why we institutionalize our special back staff para mapadali. On going formulation of the provincial development and physical framework, institutionalized provincial land use committee, institutionalized organizational structure and staffing pattern, accredited 11 civil society organization, enacted local code for the children, God code, and local investment code, incentive code, and the active participation of the private business sectors. Kaya nga, sa Maguindanao del Norte, mayroong kaming umping na kasama sa negosyante, at saka mayroon din kaming Al-Nur na kasama sa negosyo natin. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa property ng Al-Nur. Kaya nga, binanggit ko para makulang-kulangan ng singil ba? We would like to acknowledge the very good performance of our 12 component municipalities and 221 barangays. Kaya naging magaan ang pagsisimula natin dahil sa magagaling na performance ng ating local government units. 8 out of 12 municipalities were consistent passer of DILG, MILG, seal of good local governance. Hindi na natin sabihin kung sino, but to make it particular, lahat ng nasa Iranon Corridor, napasok yan sa SSG awardee. 9 out of 12 municipalities were rated ideal based on MILG Local Governance Functionality Appraisal, LOGPA program. 11 out of 12 municipalities were rated high-performing based on the DILG, MILG audit. 9 of 12 municipalities were appraised high-performing based on DILG, MILG, ADAC audit. Despite the challenges this administration has faced, many positive developments are emerging. With the support of the national and BARM government, and of course with the assistance of our Sangguniang Panlalawigan, we will strive for the following initiatives. Number 1, construction of new provincial capital in Sultan Kudarat, Maguindanao. Pero tingnan naman niyo, sir, yung style ng it is a inspired Tubao design. Construction of sub-transformation line and installation of 20 MVA substation in Parang. This is to address the concern of brownouts in Maguindanao. Kung sakaling mapatayo ito, wala nang brownout na 24 hours. Maybe mga 6 hours pwede pa. Pero yung 24 hours. So, we will extend our continued support to the ongoing rehabilitation of airport and Puyok Port. This needs also the cooperation of Sangguniang. We will push for the realization of the international airport in Sultan Mastura. And in fact, we have already signed a memorandum of understanding between the local government of Sultan Mastura and Provincial Maguindanao and BPDA para gawin ng isang agency ang sinasabing feasibility studies para itulak at sa gagawin yung international airport sa Sultan Mastura. We will lobby for the establishment of the following. Maglalabi po kami sa national government o di kaya sa kay Chief Minister na gagawa tayo ng hospital. Kasi we have to admit that our regional center natin ngayon, hindi sa atin ito. It is for the DOH. So ngayon, kailangan gagawa tayo ng provincial medical center sa Parang na kung pwede papangalan natin sa Salamat Hasim Medical Center in Parang. We also lobbying for the establishment of Halal Center with the slaughterhouse, business center, training center, solid waste disposal area, sewage treatment plant, and temporary holding area. We will provide full support for the establishment of the BARM Regional Center in Parang. Kung ano ang magagawa ng Bangsamoro, kung ano ang magagawa ng Maguindanao del Norte para maituloy yung BARM Regional Center natin sa amin, ready po kami sa Maguindanao del Norte. From this day forward, we will deliver the following. After ng SOPA na ito, we will deliver all these things. 1,000 heads of upgraded goats, continue our animal health program, and disease monitoring and surveillance to our livestock and poultry, animal, and pets. Magdidistribute po kami ng mga kambing na ang kambing na ito is kahit makakain ng cellophane o di kayo kaputi, hindi mamamatay. Hindi kagaya ng mga kambing diyan na makakain mo lang ng cellophane, patay na. Ito, sigurado kayo. Letter B, 100,000 assorted fruit seedlings to our farmers. We will distribute this. 1,000 fishing gears to 100 fisher folks. 1,000 bangus cages for grow out to fisher folks in Barangay Parang Moro Point, and 120 payaws will be distributed to the fisher folks cooperatives in coastal municipality of the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Marami pa tayong dapat gawin. Our journey continues. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. gave us the responsibility to serve Maguindanao del Norte, shape its destiny for its people, and bring the province to greater heights of development. Let us not fail that trust. Let us not forget our commitment to continue our quest to bring about progress in our province. However, I cannot do all this without your support, because this should be a cohesive endeavor, a partnership by all the local government units in the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Hindi ko ito kakayanin kung ako lang mag-isa. Sama-sama tayo, tulong-tulong, databangatan o kanto ba'y kapaluri na niya ba pagitungan. In closing, I earnestly appeal to all our constituents, our leaders and workers in the different LGUs of the province, and all our development partners to join us in this historic journey to bring services closer to our people. As enshrined in the Holy Quran, Chapter 5, verse 2 from the Surah Al-Ma'idah, Allah says, "Ta'awanu 'alal birri wat taqwa, wa la tata'awanu 'alal itsmi wal 'udwan. Innallaha shadidul iqab." And help one another in righteousness, pity, and do not help one another in the sin and transgression. And fear Allah. Indeed, Allah is severe in punishment. Attend to the needs of our people and ensure everybody is on the boat, because it is a mandate given to us by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wala po tayong pipiliin sa pagbibigay ng serbisyo, maging sino ka man. Parang lyrics ng awit ni Sharon Cunita yun. Ewan ko lang kung sinong sumulat nung in-insert lang siguro. Dapat mapagsilbihan, dapat lahat mapagsilbihan. Ours is inclusive government. Wala pong iwanan sa gobyerno ng Bangsamoro Autonomous, sa gobyerno ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region and in Maguindanao del Norte in particular. Sa ating pagsusumikap na ayusin ang Maguindanao del Norte at ibigay ang serbisyong nararapat sa mamayan, alalahanin nating tayo ay nakatira sa isang tahanan, isang probinsya. Tayo ay magkakapatid, magkakaibigan, magkaisa tayo para sa masaganang Maguindanao del Norte. Sukran, pagpalain Bangsamoro, mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Please be seated.
May I be recognized, Honorable Chair?
Yes, Honorable Abdurrahman, you are recognized.
Thank you, Honorable Chair. Honorable Chair, I move to adjourn the session.
It has been moved and duly seconded. Hearing the objection, the session is adjourned.
To allow everyone to have a photo opportunity with the officials of the province of Maguindanao del Norte, we will be calling you on stage to take turns. May we request the Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao with Secretary Galvez and company for the photo opportunity po. Next will be the board members of the province of Maguindanao del Norte.
Ayan, so once again, our Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Ayan, so once again, our Chief Minister of the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, and of course, our Secretary Galvez and company on stage. Thank you. Ayan, so yung ating mga medias, medyo atras muna tayo, atras konti. Thank you.
To our media partners po, backward lang po tayo ng kaunti.
Hello, hello. Ayan, so we would like once again to express our gratitude to our Chief Minister of the BAR. Maraming salamat. And of course, our Secretary Carlito Galvez of OPA Pro. Maraming salamat. Okay, up next.
Next on stage po are the board members of the province of Maguindanao del Norte.
Okay, up next we have, may we request the board members of the province of Maguindanao del Norte. Ayan, so yung ating medias, please, atras lang po tayo. Bigyan po natin ng daan ng ating mga board members.